Significant changes in weather conditions are taking place today for some parts of the country. The first of which is that a high pressure system that's ridging up the eastern coastline is going to spread cloudy and wet weather along with it. Along with cloudy skies persisting over the southern parts of the country, it's going to be particularly cold over those areas, while over the Northern Cape, a deepening cut-off flow over that province is going to spread in lots of cloud as well as a good chance for showers and thunder showers. On our rainfall probability map, we can see that there's up to a 60% chance of rain that extends from the Kalahari all the way through to the central Karoo. Surrounding this is an area of isolated activity, and there may even be a few light showers near the western coastline. Rain is expected once again along the southern and east coasts of South Africa as well as the adjacent interior, and a bit of light rain or drizzle is also forecast for the escarpment areas of Limpopo and Mpumalanga, as well as a bit of light rain for some parts of the Lowveld. We're expecting a much cooler day over those regions today. 17 for Mbombela, and Polokwane reaches a high of only 19. The warmest province for today is going to be the northwest, where Mahikeng reaches a high of 25, while over southern South Africa, much cooler temperatures are expected with mid to lower teens in the forecast. Along the west coast, a marginal warming is expected, 22 for Vredendal, and Cape Town warm slightly to 19. And here we see why the temperatures are rising as winds are blowing off the coastline over that area today, and we also see the circulation around the low pressure system with westerly winds returning to Alexander Bay. Swells over this area remaining unchanged at 2.5 meters. It's going to be an especially windy day for the areas south of Cape Town, between 40 and 55 kilometers per hour. Gale force winds are forecast just off the coastline. Cape Town, on the other hand, moderate to fresh winds in the forecast. Swells will be increasing to 3.5 meters. Easterly winds dominate along the south coast of the country, moderate around the Garden Route, but becoming fresh for both Jeffreys Bay and Port Elizabeth. And along with the increased winds, swells increase as well to 3 meters. Choppy seas in the forecast with a period of only 6 seconds. And southerly to southwesterly winds are forecast once again for both Durban and Richards Bay, while onshore flow keeps things cloudy and wet for both East London as well as the Wild Coast. And along with this, we're expecting low swells averaging at 2 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.